Ano po ba tingin niyo sa paggawa ng scale about sa Filipino?
Pwede naman. But kasi what you will try to measure, there is how do people, what attitudes towards Filipino time. First, understanding what is it for them, what are the dimensions of Filipino time. So there you will see whether it's exact time, approximate time, or no time, diba? And then you will say, but there is also another concept of Filipino time, Filipino concept of time, which is maulan, tag-init. That's another dimension. So I don't know how far you will, and how deep you will examine that. You have to decide. Kasi kung yung time lang ng anong oras na ngayon, anong oras tayo magkikita, parang it's a limited dimension.
So, pwede pa po namin.
If you were asking me whether yung scale that you did, you can pursue it and really make it a thesis, I think you can. And then also, kasi the whole process of validating a scale, it's a long process, diba? And we weren't able to do this inside assessment, so now you have all the chances, the opportunity, if you will turn this into a research project. And I also think, so you should resolve whether this is something that you are really interested in, because if you're going to do this for 1 year, syempre, you need to be interested in this. So is everybody in your group really interested in the topic? That's one question. Second, how significant is it? Do you think it's going to contribute to furthering knowledge in our field, in psychology here in the Philippines? And will people be able to use it to benefit in their life? I think that you will be contributing something significant by pursuing this, then you can pursue it. And if you're interested in it.
So, Miss, what are your suggestions po? Kasi diba kayo po yung nag-check ng paper namin. So, ano po yung mga points na dapat namin i-consider para mas maging okay
For the validation? Yes. Syempre, if you will validate your scale, you need to find correlates. I think another way to improve it is to do a mixed method na lalimin nyo. Because this, yung pag-create nyo ng scale, medyo, syempre, limited naman yung time natin in terms of interviewing people, diba? So you interviewed only 10 people? Tama ba? That's what I required you to do. So I would think a more extensive interview about Filipino time, just to make sure that you cover all the aspects of Filipino time na dapat maisama sa scale. Kasi it's possible that there are some aspects of it in the conception of the Filipinos na hindi kasama sa scale nyo kasi na limited lang yung chances nyo to interview that time inside assessment. So that's one way you can ensure better construct validity of your scale. Tapos, in terms of validation na talaga, you have to find correlates, variables that you can correlate to provide different kinds of validity, discriminant, or convergent validity, not validity, evidence for construct validity, para magawa nyo talaga yung validation study. So talagang matagal pa, marami pang gagawin para ma-validate yung talaga yung study. Pero yung pinakamahalagang step na hindi nyo nagawa, which I would like you to do, is to really do more interviews about how Filipinos look at time. Kasi limited lang nagawa natin. Yun, so far. But I think it's a very valuable area of research. Pwede naman, palagay ko. But you have to don't disregard also what others have done. For example, people from Stanford had been working on this. So if you go to present it there, you have to look at what they have done. So both Western tsaka yung context natin, pareho yung tingnan mabuti.
So, Miss, sa tingin ko, makakakuha kami ng mga sources talaga dun sa Filipino time.
Filipino
Bukod pa dun
time.
sa
Limited talaga yung local literature. Pero pag naghanap pa kayo, now you have more time to look, I think you will see more. Kasi talagang sobrang mamadali tayo sa psych assessment kasi isang SEM lang yon. Pero thesis is 2 SEMs.